I'm going to present Attorney General versus Alinta Limited 2008. The main issue is in 2008, final judgment was passed by the High Court of Australia, where two companies, Alinta Energy and Australian Pipeline Trust, agreed to merge their assets. This case is called AE Takeovers Panel case. In this case, AE's act led towards the constituting contravention of the Corporation Act. In 2007, Attorney General was allowed to make an appeal against the section number 6578-2B. This appeal, it was said that Act is not invalid for the purporting the judicial power of Commonwealth. Later, on the purchase of Australian Pipeline Trust units was a clear contravention of section number 606. In this case, many people were involved, but the main culprit was undoubtedly AE, who managed to manipulate the power division in such a way that companies involved, AE and AGL, could only make declaration of power in own interest profit. The main rules is, as already explained above, that companies involved, AE and AGL, breached two main law section of Corporation Act. Both of this section will be explained here in detail. First section is about the breach of duties as the director of a company, while other section is about the breach of the law that states that company is not allowed to financially assist any other company in order to buy its shares. Let us see how AE managed to breach these two main laws of Corporation Act. Rules and application. According to this law, any companies comes under the regulation that is not allowed to provide financial assistance to any other company in order to buy its shares. This law also states that no company can come under the influence and can provide financial assistance to buy the shares of the other companies as well, as this helps in creating illusion in market that the shares of a company whose shares are being bought in case of financial assistance. There are many different sections of this law. They belong to the section number 180. Section number 180 has many subparts. According to the subsection wise, let us discuss the detailed analysis of this case and the breach of the Corporation Act in it. First of all, the breach of law which states that person or director should not misuse the confidential information of any company. Director of a company is a designation where director is completely aware of the confidential condition and information about the company. These details are there just for information so that director can make decision in the favor of company. Conclusion. At the end, it can be concluded that case under discussion is a Commonwealth versus attorney power case where AE managed to breach the Corporation Act just to fill in the personal interest, while companies involved, AE and AGL, was charged and got banned from market for many years with a fine. Best possible result from this case is to be loyal with the given responsibilities and be diligent towards the rights of the people involved, and personal interest should be kept aside while making decision as the director of other companies. Thank you. Finish here.